go over to your messages, and I'm just sending this to myself so that I don't bug any of my friends during this tutorial. But see that little microphone thing? All you want to do is you just want to press and hold on the microphone. So now you can see that it's recording an audio wave. And then in really tiny text, it says swipe left to cancel or release to send. So I'm going to just press and hold all the way over to the left and see now it went in that little trash can. So it didn't send. But now I'm just going to press and hold and be like, hey, I'm just testing this out. And then I'm going to release it and it should send. So yeah, and then you can listen to it, press and hold, and how that works too. But if you want to try it out and just say hello or hey or, hi or bonjour or whatever to me, you can send me a voice message and try it out. Okay, hope you're having a good day.